So up in Bishop's Court today, it's lunchtime for me because my camera's decided to die, which is awesome. You can still probably hear it in the background still going on. Yeah, most of this video is going to be just fucking slow motion clips of cool cars and loud noises, so I hope you enjoy it. I'm trying to stick to the whole 2 week thing. We'll see how I get on. So obviously it turns out this whole video is not going to be all like random clips of slow motion like I just said. We're going to be working on the engine bay today, and in a couple of days whenever I get all that footage edited there will be a standalone video of all the drifting and stuff like I did for the Drift Games Bash. Today's objective is to finish off this car. I just give it a little bit of paint there now. I need to isopon and cover up a couple of pinholes because there's no point in really welding it without replacing the whole panel. I'm not doing that. This is not show car. Hoping to get that there all dusted up and sprayed today. The paint that I'm going to be using is actually going to be the wheel paint that I used for the E36. You know, paint's paint at the end of the day. I'm going to be clear coating everything anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I had this in white. I liked it, but I think the anthracite's just going to make it that much nicer. So set up the camera for a quick time lapse of me absolutely destroying my lungs with isopon. Isopon's all done. Just waiting for it to dry and sand it, and then I'll do another pass of isopon just to iron out because I missed a couple spots, and then it'll be ready for painting. Just to note, as a quick side note, I am not layering and layering on the isopon. It is just for the pinholes. The steel is strong enough, it's just pitted in certain areas, and instead of having to cut it out, try to make new panels, because as you can see how intricate all of these panels are, there's lines going everywhere, and I do not have a bead roller or anything this yet. I have my two hands and that's it. Just in case anyone's thinking about getting smart in the comments, be like, oh, you're just slathering on isopon friggin' boy racer or whatever. It's not the case. So obviously the paint's not perfect, but that's one coat on. I'm going to sand it down with like 800 and then hit it with another couple of coats and then clear. But that's all the time I have today to finish this job. I need to go pick up the missus from work, and yeah, hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in 2 weeks. Hey, you said